Leon Pizza Box is a unique and Europe-wide patented EP-near 4035.6 pizza box developed specifically for the European market. It offers many advantages over traditional pizza boxes. Folding system. Leon Pizza Box does not require folding and stacking. This saves time and labor for employees, reduces storage space issues, and reduces shipping costs by 50%. Locking system. Thanks to the special locking mechanism, the pizza box cannot be opened without tearing. This protects the food from external factors during transportation and ensures that the pizza reaches the customer safely. Ventilation system. The special ventilation system ventilates the pizza from the bottom and top, ensuring that the pizza remains hot, crispy, and crispy. It prevents the pizza from getting wet by protecting it from moisture and prevents it from over-drying. Leon Pizza Box offers an ideal solution for pizzerias and wholesalers. Orders at the best price and quality can only be obtained by the container load from